Are you struggling to make the most of your game? Do you find yourself stuck with loads of coins but no progress? You are not alone. Today, we're uncovering the biggest mistake players make and how you can avoid it to become a true Hamster Kombat champion. Stay tuned to unlock the secrets to smarter gameplay and rapid progress. Here's the mistake we see all the time. It's great to see many of you so dedicated to upgrading your multi-tarp level and boosting your energy limit. However, if you push too hard without a strategy, it can backfire. The biggest mistake is not using your earnings wisely. Many players are so focused on accumulating coins that they don't spend them effectively. Imagine you've done your tasks, earned bonuses, invited friends, and tapped away, and now you have 100 million coins in your balance. If those coins aren't working for you, they're useless. So, let's break down the mistakes and the right strategies to adopt. Mistake 1. Focusing too much on multi-tarp and energy boosts. While upgrading your multi-tarp level and boosting your energy limit is essential, doing so excessively can be detrimental. If you concentrate solely on these aspects, you might miss out on other crucial elements of the game. Solution: balance your upgrades. While it's good to have a high multi-tarp level and energy limit, make sure you're also investing in other areas of the game, such as upgrading your cards in the M section for better passive income. Mistake 2. Hoarding coins without purpose. Many players accumulate a large number of coins but don't spend them wisely. Having a high coin balance might look impressive, but it doesn't benefit you unless you use it strategically. Solution: spend your coins on cards that offer the highest passive income. This way, your earnings will continue to grow, and you'll see better overall progress in the game. Regularly check and invest in the best cards available to maximize your income. Mistake 3. Neglecting tasks and bonuses. Some players focus too much on one aspect of the game and neglect the tasks and bonuses that can significantly boost their progress. Solution: make sure to complete tasks from the Earn section regularly. These tasks provide additional points and profit, helping you advance faster. Also, take advantage of the daily combos for massive bonuses worth 5 million coins. Mistake 4. Ignoring the referral system. The referral system is a great way to earn extra bonuses, yet many players overlook it. Solution: invite your friends to join Hamster Kombat. Each friend you invite gives you bonuses that can help you progress more quickly. The more friends you refer, the more bonuses you accumulate. And there you have it, Hamster Kombat fans. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to mastering the game and maximizing your earnings. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. 1. Balance your upgrades. Don't over-focus on multi-tarp and energy boosts. 1. Invest in a variety of upgrades, especially the cards in the M section. 2. Spend coins wisely. Accumulating coins is great, but they need to be invested strategically to generate the best passive income. 3. Complete tasks and earn bonuses. Regularly finish tasks from the Earn section and take advantage of daily combos to boost your profits. 4. Utilize the referral system. Invite friends to earn additional bonuses and accelerate your progress. Remember, A balanced approach is key to success in Hamster Kombat. Make sure you're using all the tools and strategies at your disposal to get the best results. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep playing smart, and we'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.